name's Maddison, and I'm the events coordinator here at Bedner's Farm and Greenhouse. Lately, we've been talking a lot about fall gardening tips and tricks and what you can be doing in your garden. Right now, it can be very tempting to get out and prune away all of those perennials in your gardens to make it look clean and tidy. But I'm going to tell you that it's really beneficial for the ecosystem for you to leave those plants up a little while longer. As you leave these plants up, like your coneflower and your black-eyed Susans, these plants actually provide really great source of food for birds through the seeds that they can eat all winter long. Plus, if you leave them up in your garden, then that's something else to look out besides just the blank canvas of your garden. So, if you want to learn more about fall gardening tips and tricks, you should join us in one of our classes here at Bedner's, where we've been diving into all sorts of topics like ecological gardening and ways to continue gardening out all through the season. So we'll hope to see you soon.